The 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter is a factory-built overlanding vehicle designed for off-grid adventures and challenging terrains. Equipped with a robust hybrid powertrain, specialized suspension, and a host of off-road features, it offers a comprehensive package for enthusiasts seeking both performance and comfort. Powertrain and performance. At the heart of the Trailhunter is Toyota's iForce Max hybrid system, combining a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine with a 48-horsepower electric motor. This setup delivers a total of 326 horsepower and an impressive 465 lb-ft of torque, making it the most powerful Tacoma variant to date. The power is managed by an 8-speed automatic transmission, allowing the Trailhunter to tow up to 6,000 pounds and handle a maximum payload of 1,710 pounds. ToyotaCarNews.com, suspension and off-road capabilities. Designed with overlanding in mind, the Trailhunter features Old Man Emu, OME, 2.5-inch forged monotube shocks with rear remote reservoirs, developed in collaboration with ARB. This suspension system enhances off-road control and supports additional cargo, crucial for extended adventures. The vehicle's stance is elevated by 2 inches at the front and 1.5 inches at the rear, courtesy of bronze-colored, forged aluminum upper control arms. Additional off-road enhancements include an electronic rear locking differential, a front stabilizer bar disconnect for improved wheel articulation, and auxiliary DC toggle upfitter controls on the dashboard. Exterior features. The Trailhunter's exterior is tailored for durability and functionality. It boasts a bronze grille with classic Toyota lettering, an integrated 20-inch LED light bar, and rigid white/amber LED fog lamps to ensure visibility in various conditions. Protective elements such as frame-mounted rock rails and hot-stamped steel skid plates safeguard critical components from rough terrains. The high-clearance exhaust tip is designed to prevent damage during off-road excursions. ToyotaCarNews.com, interior features. Inside, the Trailhunter offers a blend of comfort and advanced technology. The cabin is equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14-inch multimedia display, providing intuitive access to vehicle information and entertainment options. Drivers benefit from a head-up display, while both front seats are heated and ventilated, ensuring comfort in varying climates. Toyota's Safety Sense, TSS, 3.0 suite comes standard, offering a range of safety and driver assistance features. A unique addition is the JBL FLEX portable Bluetooth speaker, which docks seamlessly into the dashboard and can be removed for use at campsites or outdoor gatherings. ToyotaCarNews.com, customization options. To cater to individual preferences, Toyota's Associated Accessory Products, AAP, program allows owners to personalize their Trailhunter with a variety of overlanding, camping, and adventure accessories available through participating dealerships. These additions can be conveniently financed and integrated into the vehicle's monthly payment plan, simplifying the customization process. ToyotaCarNews.com, in summary, the 2025 Toyota Tacoma Trailhunter stands out as a purpose-built overlanding vehicle, combining Toyota's reliability with specialized features to tackle the demands of off-grid exploration. Its powerful hybrid engine, advanced suspension system, and thoughtfully designed interior make it a compelling choice for adventurers seeking both capability